Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into your account in Quick Hit Slot. So the first step is to open the app. Now after you open this Quick Hit Slot app, you can see this login option here. You can either log in with your Facebook account or with your Apple account, or you can also continue as a guest. But it is highly recommended to log in so that you never lost any of your data in the game. I have already signed up with my Facebook account, so I'm clicking on this continue with Facebook. Now click on continue. After that, it is going to show the option like this. Click on continue. And here, following the simple and easy step, you have successfully logged in into your account in Quick Hit Slot. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.